The time has come. You need a website for your business. But how do you do it if you have no technical skills and no money? Maybe you should just quit, right? No! You should never ever quit. Anyways, you don't need to have a lot of money. Neither you need to know how to code. Let me present you an alternative that will allow you to build a website even if you have no technical skills. Everyone can build a website quite easy. Let me show you how. On today's video we are going to discuss the single most important part of your business when it comes to an online business. We are going to learn things like what is a website, why it is so important, what is a website builder, the best website builder for entrepreneurs, and at the end I'm going to give you a bonus. I will share with you the different web pages that you are going to need for your online business. Without further ado, let's get started. What is a website? Your website is the most important part of your online business. It is your online home, your business soul. It is how you present yourself and your business to the world. You only have a few seconds to catch the attention of your visitor. Otherwise, you might never ever see them again. Technically speaking, a website is a cluster of individual web pages that are linked together under one site. A website can be formed by innumerable individual pages. Normally, websites are formed by two types of content: pages and posts. Pages. This type of content usually doesn't change. It is called static content. As you can see, this is my static content. This is the content that will normally not change. And posts. This content is dynamic content. It is designed to change. These are some parts of my website. For example, my web is formed by a home page and a header that contains multiple different pages, static content on itself, and the rest of the website, it is formed by posts, by dynamic content. Why do you need a website? Well, pretty simple, because if you want to have an online business, you need a website. Without it, you have no internet business, since you are going to offer your products and services to the world. If you don't have a website, it's like you didn't exist. It will be like trying to be a truck driver, but without a truck. You just can't. You need a website in order to have an online presence, otherwise nobody will know that you even exist. What is the easiest way to build a website? I am going to be quick and direct. The easiest way to build a website is to use a website builder. Don't complicate things more than necessary. Website builder for entrepreneurs, all that you need to know. There are a lot of website builders to choose from. In fact, when I decided to build an online business, I invested weeks on researching and knowing what they were, which ones were available, their functionalities, and their advantages and disadvantages. Since this is not a video about all the website builders that are out there, and more about what they are and why do you need them, I will just save you all the hassle and I will tell you the website builder that I recommend and the one that I personally use. If I didn't share the one that I use, how will I help you on your journey, eh? But first, some basic knowledge about website builders. What is a website builder? A website builder is a tool that allows you to build a website from zero, but without the need of coding. This means that you can build your own website really easy. Why do you need a website builder? If you use a website builder, you will be able to build your website by yourself without needing to hire a developer. Now you will need to code anything, which will make the process much cheaper, and it will give you a lot of flexibility. You will be able to build your website pretty fast. Most website builders offer an intuitive drag-and-drop user interface to build your new website and add all the content and media you want, so anyone can use them. Some advantages of using a website builder are: it is the cheapest way to build a website. It is fast, no coding skill requires, and it gives you incredible flexibility. The best website builder for entrepreneurs. Okay, the best website builder that I personally recommend is WordPress. WordPress is an incredible website builder for multiple reasons that we will discuss later. The first thing that you need to know is that there are two versions, WordPress.com and WordPress.org, and there is a huge difference that is crucial and will make you look like a pro or like a noob. Anyways, if you want to make money and have an online business, only one of these options is appropriate. The difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. I will explain the difference between them, but let me tell you straight away that if you are serious, you are going to use WordPress.org. WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a hosting service that can be confused with WordPress.org, that is a website builder. WordPress.com will only be used to create a hobby blog. Since you won't use this, we will not talk about it anymore. Let's go with WordPress.org. WordPress.org is a free and open source website builder. This means that you have complete control over your website and that you own your website. You will need a hosting platform to host your web. Don't worry, we will talk about this in the next module. Let's go with the advantages of WordPress.org. First of all, WordPress gives you complete control over every aspect of your website. It can be used to build any kind of website. There are thousands of pre-made things that are really high quality to build your website really fast. Or if you prefer, it has a really powerful drag and drop page builder that allows you to create your own page layout, which I don't use, but it has it. You will also get access to more than 58,000 free WordPress plugins. These are like apps for WordPress that add additional features and functionalities to your website. 4. It is extremely cheap. In fact, it's one of the cheapest ways to build a website. WordPress is completely free to use, but you will need a domain and a hosting. 5. SEO friendly. All of these make it the perfect website builder for entrepreneurs. Disadvantages of WordPress.org. First, you will need to manage your own website, and for that, you will need some technical knowledge. It has a bit of a learning curve, especially if you have never managed a similar system. To be honest, it cost me a little while to learn it, but hey, you are on my website today, don't you? If I can learn how to build a website, 3 years ago I didn't even know what Google Drive was. So imagine, so do you. Second, you will need to keep the plugins, the theme, and WordPress itself outdated. This is really important to maintain your website running smoothly. Also, you will need to manage your backups. Third, If you want a really high versatility, like do whatever you want without limits, you will need to pay for premium plugins, since the top functionalities are not free. Even though you can still build impressive websites without having to purchase any premium plugins. And now the bonus that I promised, the different web pages that you are going to be using. Let's see a snack peek of the different web pages that you are going to use for your online business. First one, blog or authority site. This shows your personal brand. It builds trust with your customers. It is the most powerful way to attract customers. Reasons to create a personal brand. First, you can connect with people at another level. Second, it allows you to attract the exact type of customers that you want. Third, you will stand out from the competition. Second, leads capture page. The objective of this page is to give people enough information to know you. The goal of this page is to get the name and the email of someone. Third, value delivery page. The principal intention of this page is to build a relationship with your customer or clients. Its main purpose is to create value. And fourth, sales page. The intention of this page is to get a commitment from somebody that is greater than giving you their email. That commitment will eventually be a sale for you. On one hand, you have your actual life, and in the other hand, you have your dream life. But they are separated by this enormous distance that seems impossible to overcome. But you can skyrocket your success from one point to the other. You just need the right vehicle and the right fuel. If you want to know what the fuel and the vehicle are, just click on the description below and skyrocket your success. Conclusion. As you can see, we will need a lot of different websites and pages and sites and all of that, and not just a homepage. Also, as business owners, we have to change and adapt pretty fast. So it would be awesome if every time that you need to change something on your website, you don't have to hire a programmer, especially if it is just a landing page or a sales page, pages that change quite often. Anyways, with WordPress, you can use pre-made templates, so you don't spend too much time building your website. You just change it at your liking. So I must encourage you to learn WordPress. For me, it is the best website builder for entrepreneurs. It will give you so much versatility, and it is a really useful skill to learn for online business. Nevertheless, don't worry, because in the next module we will see all the tools that you will need to build your own professional website. The best way to predict the future is to create it. The time has come. Start now. Build your own website and start your entrepreneurial journey. Hope to see you in the next one. And remember, in the next module, we are going to see all the tools that you will need. So stay tuned. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.